In this class, we are going to find the zeroth root of 4. We are going to examine whether the zeroth root of 4 is undefined or defined using the limit approach, okay? Now, the first step is that I want to rewrite this function as this, nth root of 4, okay? I want to rewrite like this. Now, let us take the limit of this function from the right-hand side. So, I'm going to have limit nth root of 4 as n approaches 0. Are you getting it? So I'm going to have this limit nth, limit 4 to the power of 1 over n as n approaches 0. Are you getting it? Now, we are taking the limit from the right-hand side because now we are having positive values as n approaches as n approaches 0. Do you understand? Now, as n approaches 0, we are going to have infinity. Do you understand? And this power becomes infinity. So I'm going to have limit 4 raised to the power of infinity as n approaches 0. Now, 4 raised to the power of infinity will be infinity. You understand? Will be infinity. So I'm going to have, for this value, I'm going to have infinity. Now, this limit that we take is from the right hand side. Do you understand? Okay. Now, let us take the limit of this function from the left hand side. So I'm going to have limit n root of 4 as n approaches 0 from the left hand side. That is why I have negative here. Do you understand? So for this, I'm going to have limit 4 raised to the power of 1 over n as n approaches 0 from the left hand side. Are you getting it? Now, for this, I'm going to have limit 4 raised to the power of negative infinity. Do you understand? Because now we are taking the limiting value from the left hand side as n approaches 0. Do you understand? And okay, now 4 raised to the power of negative infinity will give me 0. Do you understand? So when we take the limit of this function from the right hand side, we have infinity, and when we take the limit of this function from the left hand side, we have 0. Now recall that anytime you take the limit of a function from the left hand side and you take the limit of the function from the right hand side, and the result is not the same, just like what we have here. The limit of this function from the right hand side gives me infinity, while the limit of this function from the left hand side gave me 0. Now you can see that the result is not the same. That means the limit does not exist. And because the limit of this function does not exist, the zeroth root of 4 will be undefined. Do you understand? The zeroth root of 4 will be undefined. And undefined simply means meaningless.